Have you heard of lean manufacturing? It's a set of principles that eliminate waste and improve productivity, quality, and delivery. The lean problem-solving process is used to move towards your goals by addressing the root causes that are holding you back. Everyone works together to provide the customer with a defect-free product or service when it's needed and in the right quantity. In the life sciences, lean strategies can provide a competitive advantage. It can help develop products faster and shorten internal production lead times. Lean supply chain methodologies can be used to shorten supply chain lead times and ensure better quality. It can also help develop a more reliable, higher quality product. By eliminating waste and improving processes, lean manufacturing can help life science companies stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. Are you ready to learn more? Visit emsstrategies.com and click Contact Us.